So I am super excited and super nervous for this weekend. We're headed over the mountain to Richland, Washington, so I can race my bike for the first time in a year. Haven't competed since COVID. I hope I remember how to do it. But packing that jersey into my bag, I'm more excited than nervous. Soon it's going to be time to get these two ready. Flat pedals coming off, clipless pedals going back on. Please don't let me fall over. Haven't had these guys on in a while. Still got some PI dirt in them. Everything looking good though. This weekend, Russ gets to prove that he is the ultimate adventure rig. As he takes us to Richland for a weekend in the sun, full of racing and camping and all sorts of fun. Oh wow, I sound like Dr. Seuss. We rolled into campsite number 12 last night just after dark, but the moon was so bright that you didn't even need a flashlight. We are at Sand Hollow Recreation Area just outside of Vantage on our way to Richland. The bikes got a place of honor last night inside the van, and the new bed setup is very comfy. We're still learning how to use the storage. These side storage boxes are basically empty. Here you have it. The new bed. You can just barely sit up on it. The kitchen set up this morning in this gorgeous, sunny, finally not windy campsite. We're at the track. I forgot how much I love racing. Yay for tiny bicycles. Say hi. Jackson Creek Fish Camp. Site number 7. This is campsite number 13.
Yeah.
And it's down on the river.
In the van.
In the van. They canceled racing tomorrow, so we're venturing home instead. Here we are, Jackson Creek, and that is our campsite. Thank you for the tour. And that is our campsite in reality. It's lovely, right on the river. Taking the Vantage Highway back to Ellensburg instead of I-90. The new covers are rattly on this road, so we put the blanket in there to maybe stop the rattling. Well, we took back roads all the way from Vantage to Roslyn, Suncadia. Now we're back on I-90, headed over the pass for home. It was a fun weekend. I am exhausted. How about you, driver?
I wouldn't say exhausted, but definitely a little wore out.
Well, it is fair. I race my bike, so
I didn't do anything.
we're going home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, this is the pass at 1 o'clock. It's snowing, but it's 36 degrees. So it's probably a good thing racing was canceled today because